Show me your hands. Put your hands out. Put your hands out. Put your hands out. Get them on the ground.
Another Saturday night in Southeast D.C.
Leave it at 2. Can you come to the pub? When tourists come to England, they don't come to Brixton.
Brixton is known symbolically as an area where there is a high crime rate.
Shit. Look at this, Jeannie.
Shit, man.
Shh, look at that.
Where's my monitor?
Jesus Christ.
Let's go. Quickly, quickly.
Go to sleep, weary hobo. Let the towns drift slowly by. Can't you hear those steel rails hum? That's a hobo's lullaby.
No, Dios mío, no! No, si yo no he hecho nada.
God damn it.
sus barrios a la calle.
¡Justicia! ¿Qué quiere el pueblo? ¡Justicia! 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 ¿Qué quiere el pueblo?
¡Ay, no! ¡No, Dios mío, no! ¡No, si yo no he hecho nada, señor!
She's got to stay.
Okay, good. So what do you think's happening?
Oh, I think she's rejected it. She got better and she's...
She's having a rejection. A pretty big one probably this time, huh? Hi. She's in good hands.
Could have probably been better out of here yesterday.
I think so. It's real close.
Real close. It's from Washington State.
Oh,
Open
that's
it up.
interesting.
Oh, this is from them.
Is it really?
Read it.
We hope that as this letter arrives, your lives are starting to return to normal, although we all recognize that none of our lives will ever be quite the same again. Yes, we do feel a tremendous bond with you through Caitlin and Olivia. Time is precious. We had 4 days with Caitlin. We hope that you will have many years with Olivia. In a little gift shop outside of Lake Louise in Banff National Park, we found a small jade heart. After asking the clerk to show it to us, he remarked that many people believe that jade strengthens the heart and immune system and also bestows tranquility and good fortune to those who own it. We were stunned. After he noticed the look on our faces, we quickly told him the story of 2 little girls and the heart that they share. We bought 2 of the hearts. And hope that you will accept one for Olivia. Good luck and God bless you. Julie and Martin are covered up. Good night, darling. Good night. Angel. Yep.
Thank you, Caitlin.
Yeah, thank you, Kate. Take her home.
Get to take her home.
2 years of sadness have passed in Santiago Atitlan, but today is a day to keep memories alive. I'm Darrell Barton, and this is a special edition of the Journal from Guatemala. On the night before the 2nd anniversary of Father Stan Rother's murder,
May 25th, 1995, the single biggest killing of the war. 71 people died. Nearly everybody was under the age of 30. They were killed here, the center of Tuzla, the town square, the plaza, if you will, the Tuzla Mall. Dino Kolesic and his young family were just over here, outside, enjoying the evening. The shell comes right up here, boom, and this whole area is hit with the shrapnel. And one of those pieces of shrapnel, no bigger than a grain of rice, nicked the heart of Dino's 2.5-year-old son.
Helicopters provide air cover and draw some gunfire after we land. We had to take a 40-minute boat ride down this remote river in a dugout canoe to get to the next lab. It turned out to have been hidden for a very good reason. The boat ride was followed by a long trek through the jungle, with everyone urging us to hurry because they'd already once been fired on. Come on, please. Oh, wow. The lab turns out to be a gold mine. This is much bigger than the lab that we saw earlier. This is where they would actually turn the cocaine paste into powder. How big a lab is this?
This is a standard lab used to process cocaine. This lab would have the capacity to process about 3,000 kilos of coca a week.
Worth about $3 million a week, with a street value in the States of about $45 million. But there's no time to celebrate. The guerrillas shot at the police when they arrived.
He just said, we must hurry.
We must hurry because the danger is they'll return for an ambush.
One of the helicopters was attacked by the guerrilla, and we assume that there might be attack on us any moment while we're standing here.
What are you going to do now?
Vamos a destruirlo.
Going to blow it up.
Listo, listo. Saliendo de ahí. Salga, salga. Listo. Saliendo, tenemos que para allá. Vamos, vamos. Ya, si se arresta ahí, vamos, vamos.
Once the fire is lit, the word is really everybody out, because this is the time that the guerrillas are most likely to strike. It's unclear who has fired or who was the target. Hurry, and we don't stop to ask. Whoa. The whole operation only took about 20 minutes. We left these troops on shore, hopefully not to be fired on. Helicopters are still circling overhead, providing cover. In the end, it was a safe return for us and a successful hit for the police. We'll do it all again tomorrow.
three, drop it.
1, 2, 3, 1, ready.
Circus programs. Right here. Circus programs. Circus programs. Right here. Circus programs.
Preferred seats, $1 each. Children under 2 are free.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, welcome to the 1981 edition of Carson and Barton, the largest wild animal circus in the world.
During the season, the people with Carson and Barnes Circus of Hugo, Oklahoma, set up and tear down the big top and do 2 performances every day. That's a lot of work. Their business is making people smile. It's more than a business. The circus is their way of life. Sometimes, I wish it was mine.